Okay, todautarisa nyaya angles in a circle, but we are going to start with the part A, yakanzi parts of a circle. So we are going to first look at parts of a circle. Then after parts of a circle, we'll move on to the other subtopics. But our main topic, we are dealing with angles in a circle. So we are going to start with this diagram, which is shown as Fig 9.1. So as we can see from this Fig 9.1, we have got my parts which are labeled part A. We have got part A, got part B, then part C. Then we also have got this center O. So in this diagram, A, B, C is a circle. So this is a circle that we are going to look at. But on this circle, we have got our center, which is labeled as what? As O. Then we have got the other parts which are found inside the circle. We have got P, Q, and R. So from these parts, we can see that these parts, they are called sectors. These parts, they are called sectors. We've got the parts P, Q, and R, they are called sectors. So what chiti ma sectors, but not about the circle. Iwaya ndo watinenge chiti ma sectors. Then as you can see that if we are considering those sectors, takatarisa ku region kuna R, and R is on the half of the circle, ari ku half kwe circle yese, which means at first we have got this full circle, then we divide it into two equal parts. Then we can say that this shaded part is the other half, then this other part is the other half. So what we are simply trying to say here is that we can divide our circle into some sectors, but kune mamwe sectors with the special names. For example, this sector which is labeled as R, this is a special sector. It is called the semicircle. So when we say semi, we mean half, right? Saka R is on the half region of the circle, so R is the semicircle. So this whole part, this part here is the region R. This is the semicircle, that is half of this circle. So this is the special name that is given to the half of the circle. So half of the circle is known as the semicircle. So in this case, this is the one which is labeled as R.